In today's video, I'm going to teach you what strategies to type and select when backtesting on TradingView. If you've ever wondered how to quickly evaluate a strategy using built-in tools, this walkthrough will make it simple and repeatable. We'll stick to TradingView's native strategies so you can get clear results without any extra setup or coding. First, look to the top toolbar and click Indicators. This opens TradingView's library, which includes both indicators and complete strategies. In the search bar, you'll type the name of a built-in strategy you want to test. Three solid options to start with are Moving Average Cross, MACD Strategy, and RSI Strategy. Moving Average Cross looks for crossovers between two moving averages to define entries and exits. MACD Strategy is based on momentum shifts detected by the moving average convergence-divergence. RSI strategy focuses on overbought and oversold conditions using the Relative Strength Index. Typing any of these names will bring up the corresponding built-in strategy. When you see the strategy in the results, click the strategy name to add it to the chart. As soon as it loads, your chart will display visual entry and exit markers along with order labels that show when the strategy would have gone long or short. This overlay helps you see how the logic plays out on price action at a glance, making it easier to understand the behavior and timing of each approach. Now, move down to the bottom panel and click Strategy Tester. This panel is where TradingView summarizes performance. You'll find three key views: Overview, Performance Summary, and List of Trades. The overview gives you a quick snapshot including net profit, profit factor, percent profitable, and drawdown. It's great for a first impression of how the strategy performed. The performance summary digs deeper into metrics such as average trade, average win and loss, and other statistics that help you gauge consistency and risk. Finally, the list of trades presents every single executed trade, including entry time, exit time, and profit or loss. Reviewing this list helps you spot patterns, confirm that the logic matches your expectations, and understand where gains and losses occurred. You can repeat the same process for moving average cross, MACD strategy, and RSI strategy to explore different styles of logic. This gives you a quick comparison of trend following versus momentum and mean reversion approaches, all within the same workflow. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.